HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hi kid, let's draw lips today. Make curvy lines and join them. Draw a tongue and of course the teeth. The upper row and the row at the bottom. Teeth done. Wasn't that easy? Let's paint the outer lips red. Ooh, I love this color. Suits the lips well. Inside the mouth, yellow. Now let's use some pink for the tongue. Let's use different colors to color the teeth. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little of green, yellow, purple, and blue for the teeth? This looks nice! Painting is so much fun and it feels so good. Once done painting the upper row, repeat the same for the bottom row. Again, yellow, purple, blue, and yellow and green. Our painting is ready. This looks awesome. Bye-bye.